Welcome to the dashboard. This is a starting point on your journey in the SU72 online learning tool. The first thing you'll notice at the top left is the teacher's name, and it might be all in capitals. This happens by default when we import things from Sims. So here's where you'll be able to change that so it's not all in capitals. And also, if there's a change in assignment, for example, if you've got a teaching partner, here's where you can also change that. And this is the information that will then be showing up on your student assessments. Now take note, you can also change that on individual assessments. Now just below the teacher's name, we have the database access type. Now you have no control over making changes to this, but what this does, it tells you what your assignment is, because whatever boxes are clicked will determine which of the tabs at the top are visible. So your tabs might be different than somebody else's tabs. Now myself, I'm a classroom teacher, but I am also an administrator, so my tabs might also look different from yours. Once again, you cannot change these. If they need to be changed, contact the help desk. The email address is located right here. Now in the center, we have a place where you can access your class rosters. So if you teach at more than one school, or if you're a middle school or high school teacher and you teach more than one subject, this is also where you can access different class rosters, like different class lists. So here you can click on here and go to the drop-down menu, and all of the classes that you are registered as a teacher for will show up. Now as a high school teacher, this could be particularly useful because when you go to attach assessments, you will only want to choose one particular class and have that show up to attach the assessments. Okay, so I'm going to choose my eBlend group right here, and then below that I'm going to ask it to show the roster for that group. So now the class list roster is showing up over here on the right. If I choose a student, I can just click on that student's student number, and up comes a very convenient box of information. Here will be their current Sims photo, their report card summary from last June, and as well as any current assessments and any IEP goals that the student might have. Now the June assessment is particularly nice because from here you can just tell at a glance how they were doing when they finished up the year, as well as read all of last year's teacher comments. So that might help you with some insight into those students. All right, hope that's all you need, and good luck.